Hi guys, welcome to e-classes. My name is Ram Boyapati. I'm going to start a new series of Azure Data Engineering interview questions and answers. Today I'm going to discuss about what are the different kind of cloud deployments available. The first one is about there are three different kind of cloud deployment modes available. One is about public cloud, and the second one is about private cloud, and the third one is about hybrid cloud. So what exactly a private cloud? The private cloud in the sense when you are going to develop your project by using the services from the public cloud vendors like Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Provider. This is called public cloud deployment. Why we are making all these are the public? Anyone can go and implement their projects inside these cloud vendors by using the services. The data centers and the services managed and maintained by the third party vendors. When you are coming to this private cloud, whatever the cloud services offering by the public vendors, instead of using these public cloud vendors, the services, we are going to manage and maintain our own data centers and accessing the services from these data centers only our organization, and these data centers are managed by our organization. If you are deploying your project, if you are developing your project by using the services managed by your own data centers, this is called private deployment mode. Sometimes what will happen, we are going to use few services from the public cloud and few services from the private cloud. This kind of deployment, we are calling it as a hybrid deployment mode. So public deployment mode is using the services to develop a project from Azure or AWS or GCP. If you are using your own services managed by internal cloud, we are calling this as a private deployment. Sometimes using the services few from public, few from private. So this kind of deployment mode, we are calling it as a hybrid mode. So whatever the cloud computing you are using to develop a project, either you can use public or private or hybrid. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel and please share this channel. Thank you.